बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लिम व सल्लि अलैहि। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Dear colleagues, this is 60-year-old male patient referred by the consultant surgeon. Patient complains of pain in the abdomen. Here we can appreciate that this is the small bowel, which is fluid and content filled. We can appreciate that the fluid is having to and fro pattern of motion. आगे जाते हैं फिर पीछे जाते हैं, आगे जाते हैं फिर पीछे जाते हैं. Here we can appreciate that no peristalsis is there in this area. Gas is also present. So I am scanning the right abdominal region. So this is the bowel, small bowel, which is dilated, measuring 25 millimeter. This is also the small bowel, which is filled with the excessive gas. However, no peristalsis is appreciated here. We can see that dense shadowing due to the gas, which is obscuring the posterior structure. Again, now I am at the right iliac fossa region, gas filled bowel loops, and this is the portion of the small bowel loops which is showing peristalsis. Here is no peristalsis and here is the peristalsis. We can see. Then this is continuous with the another bowel loops, which is also of small bowel. I am now in the region of right lower quadrant below the iliac fossa. This is also the gas filled bowel loops. So this pattern is seen. The proximal from the right upper quadrant to the lower quadrant, dilated and gas filled bowel, and this small portion is peristaltic, containing the gas but showing the peristalsis. So this is the transition point, and here from the transition point we are not appreciating any peristalsis. So now I move to the left mid abdomen. So I move to the lower mid abdomen, gas filled bowel loops, moving toward the umbilicus, gas filled, and now in the region of epigastrium, fluid filled, aperistaltic gut loops. So now I am to the left upper quadrant. इन्हें को focus कर लेना. And here we can appreciate to and fro motion of the particles. Then lower down gases, and then in the right iliac fossa, these are the bowel loops which are showing peristalsis and are of normal caliber. So major thing in this region is that in the abdomen is that the right sided bowel loops are and midline bowel loops are aperistaltic, filled with fluid, gases and contents. Now I am going to see the liver. This is the, I am scanning the probe at the epigastric region. So we are looking at the left lobe of the liver. Here we can see that this is the portal vein, and next to the portal vein I have put the color to highlight the portal vein. So next to the color, next to the portal vein, these are the echogenic foci. This one we can see. Say saha roko zara. Saha roko. So this one is the foci, this one is the foci which have commotale appearance, which is showing posteriorly the commotale artifact. So this is the, and here you can appreciate this one. Say saha roko zara. साह रोको बुजुर्गो, वो साह आप यार इन्हें को रोकें गिंदा बे हों तो वो रोक दे साह थे वो रोको सही एक में सेकंड तो रोको चा अच्छा. Here you can see that this is the another echogenic foci with posterior shadowing and commotale appearance. So this is the air in the intrahepatic biliary channel called the pneumobilia. Here we can see also another pneumobilia. Here is the dense with another pneumobilia. So pneumobilia is present within the left lobe of the liver. Now I focus the right lobe of the liver. Right lobe is also showing multiple foci of pneumobilia. This one, this one. Here now I am with the convex probe. Here we can see multiple foci with commotale appearance, and this is the portal vein and this is the CBD, and CBD is having bright foci. This is the CBD, and This is the common hepatic duct, which is also showing bright foci, and also calcification is also there. This is the stone with pneumobilia. So calcification, bright foci of pneumobilia are present within the common bile duct, which is grossly dilated. And I am following the CBD. This is the CBD, and here we have reached the distal end. ये आखिरी हम एंड पे पहुंच गए हैं. यहाँ पे देखें, bright foci are floating within the dilated CBD. And now I look to the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder, which is distended, and also it is thick walled. From the body to the neck, it is thick walled. So, keeping a view of these findings, dilated bowel loops, large and small, which are showing to and fro motion of particles, with few bowel loops showing peristalsis, associated with air foci and crystals within the CBD and intrahepatic biliary channel. So what would be the cause of pneumobilia? Whether it may be ischemic insult to the bowel loops, which result in this condition, rest of the portion is normal. Pancreas, this is also normal, and this is the ecofocus. This is the CBD, bright foci, air foci, portal vein, and this is the pancreas. So now, in my opinion, this may be the ischemic insult to the bowel loops, complicating to pneumobilia. And what's about the opinion of the legends? So I'm sending this clips for further discussions. Thank you very much. 1 crore. ये दरमियान में